Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss teaching methods. Question number 1. The meaning of teaching method is style of teaching, way of teaching, substitutions of the knowledge from outer world into child's intellect, way of teaching. The correct answer is substitution of the knowledge from outer world into the child intellect. A teaching method completes with the help of various techniques, way of teaching, many postures. The correct answer is various techniques. What a teaching method via an art, a science, both art and science. Can't say science. The correct answer is both art and science. It is possible to teach without a teaching method, but it is harmful because one cannot attain the objectives, develop perfection in learning situation, deliver organized teaching, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What term has been used when the external knowledge of environment is fused with the child's brain? Teaching method, teaching tactics, teaching skill, teaching process method. The correct answer is teaching method. Which of the following is termed as essential evil? Lecture method, lecture cum demonstrative method, assignment method, discussion method. The correct answer is lecture method. The end product teacher centered of to memorize the fact, express beliefs in traditional agencies, to depend on teacher's authority, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Teacher-centered method is memorize the fact, experience beliefs in traditional agencies, to depend on the teacher's authority, all of the above. Which of the following is not included in process dimensions of teacher-centered methods of teaching? Number 1, reception, authority, memory, discovery. The correct answer is discovery. Which one of the following characteristics is present in teacher-centered method? Formality, teacher's authority, neglect of innovation, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The dimensions of teaching method is factual, process, environmental, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The main objective of child-centered teaching method is to develop the planning abilities in children in a free way, to develop the skills in children, to develop independence in students, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Generally, in child-centered method of teaching, the role of teacher is to formulate the problematic situation, to collect the material and resources for the children, to help the children in formulation of their hypothesis, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The end product of child-centered method is to develop a high level in inquiry methods in children, imparting full freedom of children, enhancing the potentialities of the children, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In which of the following the teacher be ready to follow the innovations? Centered child methods, teacher-centered method, both of the above, none of the above. The correct answer is child-centered method. In which of the following the teacher emphasizes on democratic values? Child-centered method, student-centered method, both of the above, none of the above. The correct answer is child-centered method. The indent feature of lecture method is economy, teacher leisure, communication of factual information, none of the above. The correct answer is economy. Which one of the following is not the teaching principle? Lecture method, heuristic method, assignment method, project method. The correct answer is lecture method is not the Teaching principle method. When a teacher is comparatively passive and the students are overtly active and sit as a listener only, this way of teaching method is called lecture method, assignment method, project method, none of the above. The correct answer is lecture method. The defect of lecture method is lack in scientific attitude, devoid of principles of learning by doing, a one-way teaching process, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In which of the following methods the teacher takes least interest towards the attention of the students in a classroom? Projective method, assignment method, lecture, discussion method. The correct answer is lecture method. Which one of the following is required in lecture method? Training, exercise, maturity, intellectual skills. The correct answer is exercise. Generally, lecture method is assumed as the best method for high school students, intermediate students, graduate students, all of the above. The correct answer is graduate students. The lecture should be interesting, well organized and systematic, medium level with proper modulations, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In modern classes, how extent the authoritative behavior of teacher is suitable? To get extent, can't say, depend on teacher responsibility, depend on the teacher personality. The correct answer is to a great extent. Which one of the following is not a quality of teacher? Economy, fast pace, time saving, free thinking. The correct answer is free thinking.